Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify study habits with StudyBlue detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the StudyBlue website or open the StudyBlue app on your device. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard to explore your study materials. Click on the Create button to make new study sets or flashcards. To verify your study habits, select an existing study set that you wish to review. Take note of the topics and concepts included in the set. Engage with the study materials by using flashcards, notes, or quizzes. After studying, reflect on your understanding of the material you just reviewed. Use the stats feature to assess your study performance on specific topics. Identify areas where you feel confident and those that require more attention. Consider revisiting the study sets you find challenging more frequently. Join StudyBlue study groups to share resources and learn collaboratively. Exchange feedback with peers to gain different perspectives on the material. Regularly update your study sets with new information as you progress in your studies. Establish a study schedule within the app to maintain consistency. Utilize the reminders feature to keep track of your study sessions. Review your progress regularly to see improvement over time. Experiment with different study methods available on StudyBlue to find what works best for you. Stay committed to your study routine for optimal results. Always feel free to seek help from StudyBlue's resources or community if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.